My name's Luke Mauritsen, and I'm the founder and president of Montana Instruments. Even though I can't be there face-to-face with you today, it is a privilege for me to talk with you a little bit about Montana Instruments and why we have a passion for enabling research at low temperatures. One of the reasons we are so excited about what we do is we feel we get to play a critical role in helping scientists understand the world around us, and we get to play a part in technology development at its most fundamental level, which is materials. Before Montana Instruments, I was developing cryogenic technologies for defense applications. And one application in particular, we were developing optical signal processing technologies, which used rare earth doped materials at 4 Kelvin. And these applications, there was just nothing on the market that could work that had the performance that we needed. And what's more than that, it's like I was in the shoes of the researcher there, and I was experiencing the pain points that every experiment was time consuming, it was hard, and just everything at the low temperatures was a difficult process. That's probably where the seeds were planted, to say, what if someone just figured out all this cryogenic stuff and let researchers focus on getting results? What if somebody developed a system that could just sit on any optical bench and it just worked and it was easy to use? And not long after that, Montana Instruments was started. Well, with a mission of making cold science simple, what Montana Instruments does is we enable researchers to be more effective by creating high-performance and easy-to-use cryogenic optical measurement solutions. Our company really believes in improving the experience of the researcher, and every product we make reflects this ultimate end-user functionality. We continuously work to better understand customers' needs and provide them with the right tools. And at the end of the day, we're not in business to make cryostats. We're passionate, and our mission is to make cold science simple. My philosophy on building a company is really the same as my philosophy on building a product. It's all about people. And what I mean by that is if we start with people, we start with understanding the customer's needs, and then we build a team of people that also understand and have a certain empathy for serving customers, then I'm convinced that every time great technology will follow. At MI, we've built a great team today, and we also have a team of distribution partners that are knowledgeable and very responsive to customers' needs. And I think we all feel it's a privilege to be serving the research community today in the way that we are. Our customers inspire us, and our customers inform us. If someone were to spend a day at MI and overhear the conversation going on, I'm sure that one of the things you'd hear is, how do we best serve the customer in everything that we do? And as an example of this, just last month we had a customer that had a particularly sensitive sample, and they were getting inconsistent results with that. So Carrie Neal from our customer service department came to me and said, Luke, I think this is how we best serve the customer. Let me load up a brand new cryostation in a rental car and drive it out there and make some measurements with the customer. And at the very least, we'll have a new data point and we'll probably learn something. So that's what we did. And at the end of the day, the customer was thrilled, and we got to spend a week with the customer making measurements and learning what's most important to the customer. And so at the end of the day, that's part of our DNA really, is we ask the question, how do we best serve the customer in everything that we do?